Okay, this is part 2 of the Module 3 review. Linda's making curtains. She has 2 1/3 yards of material. She wants to make 3 curtains. She needs 8/9 yards for each curtain. So how many yards of material does she have for each curtain? So we're going to divide the amount of material she has by the number of curtains she wants to make. So she has 2 1/3, and she wants to make 3. Remember, when we have a whole number, we put a 1 underneath of it. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7/3. Division changes to multiplication, and then we're going to flip. So I get 7/9. So we're going to put 7/9 here. We're going to check it. There we go. Does she have enough material to make 3 curtains? So our hint, use the amount from part A. Compare how much she has. So we need 7/9, or if she has 7/9, we need 8/9. So she does not. So no, the amount Linda will have for each curtain is less than the amount needed, because she only has 7/9 and she'll need 8/9. So that is not enough. Next. Ken wants to install a row of ceramic tiles on a wall that is 21 3/8 inches wide. Each tile is 4.5 inches wide. How many hole tiles does he need? So we're going to take 21 3/8 and we're going to divide it by 4.5. So that mixed number turns into 9/2. And this one, we're going to take 21 times 8. And we're going to add 3 to it. That's 171/8. Division changes to multiplication, then we're going to flip. The 2 goes into 2 once. 2 goes into 8 4 times. So we have 171/36, because 4 times 9 is 36. That is an improper fraction, so we're going to be dividing it. 36 times 4 will give us 144. Guys, if you need to go on the side and do some work like that, do that. I've already solved these problems, so I have all that work down on my work papers that I have in my book. So I'm doing 171, and I'm going to subtract it from 144. 11 minus 4 is 7. And 6 minus 4 is 2. So we get 4, remainder 27. Now, it says how many hole tiles, and if I look over here, I have 4 hole tiles. So I'm going to type that into 4. Check it. Then my remainder that I had is 27. So remember, when we put that down, we're going to have 4 and 27/36. I'm going to simplify that down by simplifying by 9. So I have 4 and 3/4. So I have a remainder of 3/4. So a remainder of 3/4 of a tile. Number 13. How many times longer is a line measuring 9 1/3 yards than a line measuring 3.5 yards? So we're going to divide these so we can figure out that answer. So I have 9 1/3 divided by 3.5. These are mixed numbers, so I need to change them to a proper fraction. So 9 times 3 is 27, plus 1 is 28. So I have 28/3. Division changes to multiplication. Then I'm going to change this. So I have 6 plus 1 is 7/2. Remember, I write that over there, so I remember to flip it. I'm going to cross cancel. 7 goes into 7 once. 7 goes into 28 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times 1 is 3. So I'm going to have 8 divided by 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2, so I get 2 and 2/3 as my answer. So I'm going to type that in over here, 2 and 2/3. And 14. A mural is 12 5/6 feet long and is divided into 7 equal length panels. How many feet long is each panel? So let's divide those. I have 12 5/6 divided by 7 over 1. Remember, when we have a whole number, we put over 1. 12 times 6 is 72 plus 5 is 77 over 6. Division changes to multiplication, we flip. Before we multiply across, let's cross cancel. I know 7 goes into 7 once, and 7 goes into 77 11 times. So I get 11 over 6. So I have 11 divided by 6 because this is an improper fraction that cannot be our answer. 6 goes into 11 once. 11 minus 6 is 5. I get 1 5/6 as my answer. And we are done with your review. Now, you can always go back before test day and go over any of the things in the module that we haven't filled in it yet. Remember, we do most of the things, well, almost everything, online. So you have a lot of blank pages in your book that you could do your practice problems with.